One thing that is comforting to note is the recovery that we are seeing going into year 2021, where IMF is projecting global growth to improve, not just in the US, but also in the countries like Euro area, Japan, China, similarly in the ASEAN 5. IMF today is expecting Malaysia to contract, GDP to contract by negative 3.8% and recovery to 6.3% next year. The outlook in the second half of the year remains uncertain, but there are strong indications, macro indicators pointing towards recovery in the year 2021. In the coming MPC meeting on 7 November, we believe Bank Negara will likely hold rates unchanged at 2%. Bank Negara, I think earlier in the year, has cut the policy rate by 100 basis points. And we think that 100 basis point providing the assistance or a stimulus coming from the monetary policy to support the domestic economy. And currently, I think Bank Negara, in view of what I guided, the recovery in the economy, the risk is just on the export front. But as long as domestic economy recovers, the probability of Bank Negara cutting policy rate further in the coming MPC, I think is small. We think that Bank Negara is quite comfortable at the current level of 2%, being supportive, and therefore they will continue to hold rate at the current level, maybe throughout the year 2020. In fact, in our forecast going into 2021, we expect Bank Negara to raise interest rate possibly by the second half of next year by 25 basis point. Some normalization in policy rate because of the recovery in the domestic and also global economy. We think ringgit will likely remain volatile in the short term, but by the end of the year, we'll still see ringgit hovering about the 430 level. We don't expect ringgit to depreciate sharply from here on. In fact, we expect ringgit to remain pretty stable.